on the East Coast now, working on putting a Cummins 12 valve industrial motor with a Eaton 6-speed on it into this F350 dually. So I had to cut these. I'd like to have cut this whole cradle out, but it's got the independent front suspension mounted to it. So I just tacked it. You can see the tack site there. I just tacked the mount to that cradle piece, and then I'm going to cut just like on this side. I'm just going to cut there and then down this rib, and then kind of I guess tub it in there, sort of. So all I do is just take a piece of cardboard, trace it out, bring it over to, here's the motor. It's pretty wide on the front end. I think I'm gonna have to might have to change the front accessory situation to be more like a Dodge one, but it's got the fuller 6-speed on it. So I just take my template out, cut that out with a grinder. This is the piece I cut out of there, the old engine mount, and I've just got a Bobcat here, older style Bobcat that I put in this trailer with a. I mean, it's idling now, and it's quiet. It sounds like a dirt bike or a V-twin ATV when it idles. But that's the setup.